We are in Del Webb, Orlando, and you can call us at 407-572-4118 for all your cleaning services. Good morning. Somebody just bought this house. Looks amazing. They hired to steam clean the carpet. This is the master closet. We're gonna start vacuuming. This is the master room. They're gonna bring the furniture today. So Jose right now, he put a new filter and he is gonna vacuum really good the carpet in order to remove the dry soil. Beautiful house. Today they're gonna bring, they just moved in, they just bought the house. The house is clean. They hired us to do the carpet. Today they're gonna bring the furniture. So we are gonna do the low moisture procedure with our Phoenix OP machine Trinity. I already put the product, and this is the blue pad. And let's do it. The carpet is in really good shape. This is a wool carpet. Drying, we pass our scrubber to do the lines. This is the pad for the vacuum. So it was really a good carpet. Small dust, not that much, small taco dust. 4 areas, 8 pads. Already came, we already finished. We put some blowers in this house to dry faster the carpets. They're gonna bring some furniture too, and you can call us at 407-572-4118 for your new carpets, sanitizing, and disinfecting service. Thank you for watching. We put some blowers to dry fast. They already bring the mattress. We put more blowers to dry fast the carpet. Blowers already come, so the carpets are drying. Put the blowers. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching us. Okay, we finished to clean the carpets. We are putting some blowers in each room. There is one blower. The movers already came. They are installing the new mattress for this family in the master bedroom. And this is anyhousecleaning.com right here in Davenport, Florida. Right now we are in Del Webb, Orlando, but it's located in Davenport, Florida on 27th Highway. And you can call us at 407-572-4118 for tile, grout, cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. Tile and carpet, grout cleaning, pet odor remover, and also housekeeping maintenance. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Bye.